Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Insider. In today's video, we will learn how to add exist titles in Excel. So right now in my screen, we have sales data for different months of the year, and I'm representing this data with a column chart. So as you can see that our chart doesn't have any exist title right now, and we are going to add it. So the first method is to use the chart elements button. To do so, click on the chart and then you will see a plus icon, which is the chart elements icon. Click on it and then scroll down and check exist titles option. You can also click on this small arrow and individually select the primary horizontal and primary vertical options if you want. For now, I'm selecting both. As you can see, there are two boxes for the horizontal axis and then for the vertical axis. Now double click on this box and type your desired name or term like this. Press enter. Double click on this and type sales. Press enter. Now our horizontal axis is for month and then our vertical axis is for sales. The second option is to use the chart design tab. So when you click on the chart, you will see a chart design tab appearing on the ribbon. Select it and then come to chart layout section. Now select add chart element. Scroll down and click on exist titles option. Now you can select primary horizontal. Now our horizontal axis has a title box. For our vertical axis, we will again come to the chart design tab, then come to the chart layout section and again select add chart element. Scroll down and select exist titles. Now select primary vertical. Now both of our horizontal and the vertical axis have title boxes. Like before, double click on one of the boxes and now type month. Press enter. Click on the vertical box and then type sales and then press enter. Now both of our axes have titles. You can get the workbook for this content linked below. Drop any questions or feedback in the comments box. And please visit Excel Insider for more Excel and Google Sheets tutorials like this.